So good afternoon, team. Welcome back to the connect session of our automation part. So I wanted to see the presentation of 5 teams at least. So let me go with the team 1. Team 1, are you there here? Yes. Team 1, who and all are there? Can you please respond? Team 1. Okay, so team 1, I understand it is Pravalika, Saira Banu, Praneti, Divakar, Rohit. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? Okay. Who is the team lead of this team 1? Pravalika. Are you there? Pravalika?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So can you please share, show me the readiness, whatever is there as in a team, who and all have
Sir,
contributed what, how they are
ma'am,
doing.
ma'am selected me as team leader yesterday only. Sir, we have completed only 4 test cases.
Okay, fine, no problem. Show me the test cases.
Okay,
One
sir.
of you can show the presentation or whatever.
Okay, sir. I'll share the screen.
Yeah. So team 2, you be ready. I'll commit later in 5-10. Now I won't take more than 5-10 minutes for each team. So maximum 5 team I will cover today. Remaining team will catch up on tomorrow and Friday also. No, PPTs are ready. Presentation PPT is also ready.
No, sir. We are working on test cases only till now.
Okay. So you guys prepare one. You can just assign one of the person to do the presentation part also. So let them be happening. It's not like presentation means the PPT cannot. It's not necessary. Everybody should do that PPT. One person you can assign. Other persons will be able to do the coding part, and it should be very clear that everybody in the team should have done this code. Okay, who and all have completed that code, you can just do that presentation part, keep it ready. Yeah, go ahead. Which is
So this
the...
is the test case 1. I'll show you by running it.
No, don't run. I don't want that directly here. When I connected, I told couple of points. Is that points available here?
No, sir. We haven't arranged all that.
Then Friday we are trying to close. Then when you will be ready, you tell me. Team 1, I clearly told if I wanted to see means it should be ready with everything. So tell me at least what and all you should keep it ready.
We have to prepare the code with the test NG annotations. We need to take some screenshots. And the structure should be good, like you said.
So I am not seeing anything also is there. No, I don't see test ng here. Have you created any test ng here?
No, sir.
Not test ng is not there. Anybody in your team? Anybody in your team?
No, sir. Most of them are non-electrical background, so they don't know much about this.
Now 1 month you had for learning, right? Even though you guys are new, 1 month you had for learning, and 1 month, next month only we started the project. Okay, so make sure, I don't know, because I will connect with each one of you in your team and we will ask one test cases randomly. You should be able to explain. Marks will be awarded for each of you. If you are not
Okay,
there,
sir.
it will be marked as absent. Don't ask later on, I was absent, so I was not able to get the mark like that and all. You don't ask. Right? So at least by Friday, work together as a team. I told you that day itself, create one WhatsApp group, work as in a team. One all are connecting, let them connect. One all are not connecting. Did you create that Excel sheet? One all are connecting today, one all are not connecting today as a team. Did you guys do that?
No, sir.
I told to do no. Then how do I
But
know
I
that
was,
who is doing, who is
sir,
not
but
doing?
I was assigned yesterday only.
No, whoever is there, one person in a team should have taken that initiative. And I told yesterday, sir, I mean, when I connected itself, you guys can just tell who and all are there in the team one. Please do that like that, okay?
Okay,
Why it
sir.
has not been done here? Okay, fine. Others team two. So I don't want to see without that preparation. It is no use here. See how the marks will be awarded. I tell you, your coding standards, whether you are doing or not. Excel integration or parameterization, have you done or not? For all these marks will be there. Only if there is, if you have done this, then coding standard. Then have you done that program structure, screenshot? That's basically validations. Have you done validation? There will be some marks. So if you are not showing any validation, if you are not showing any coding standards, if test NG is not being done, you will be losing the marks. I hope everybody understood in this team, not only team one. So let me go within a team two. So you try to work with the team one, Pravalika. At least you have taken the initiative. I appreciate that one, but I wanted you to coordinate with the team and try to do that one. Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So if you don't know, I think I have already shared you multiple links that day, right?
Yes, sir.
Just go for it and complete that one. Come up with some success. Team two. Team two. So I'm giving the feedbacks now. At least by Friday, I wanted to see some improvement. Team two, please come up. Yeah, please share your screen. Yes, who and all are there in the team to tell Nitin, Jyotishri, Ghosh, Prakash, anybody else? Who is a team leader? Please share your screen and explain.
Sir, yes, sir. I am the team leader of this group, sir.
Yes, go ahead, man.
Sir, actually, we have done with our manual test cases, sir. Now we are working on automation.
Okay, Nitin, from when you started your project?
Actually, it's been a week, sir.
A week means only 1 week. You have been started within 1 week. That's all. Huh? Project starting is only 1 week.
No, sir. Actually, we have done our test cases in normal format. After that, you have introduced about TestNG. So we have completed in normal format, not in TestNG format.
Okay. So Excel integration or parameterization have you done?
So sorry, I didn't get you.
Excel integration or any parameterization?
No, sir.
Dependencies, parameterization, anything have you done? No.
With Excel sheet, we have done, sir. Like in normal test cases, we have done with Excel sheet and all.
Okay. So I wanted to see at least by tomorrow or Friday, please coordinate with the team and tell. And the presentation, anybody is ready? What you going?
No, sir.
Present?
Actually, in our group, we are connecting regularly, sir. In the evening, we are connecting with Google Meet and all. We are discussing and clearing ourselves doubts. There are 7 to 8 people connecting daily.
So you have a track of that who is connecting? I will ask
Yes, sir.
you. I have a track of it, and I wanted to see one dollar connecting.
I have noted their names, and I have I have all the data who are connecting and who are responding, sir.
That is good. Okay. At least assign one test case to two people. If you're having 10 people, two people you can assign together. They can do it. It will become easy for you also.
Okay,
Right.
sir. If
And
that was
we
okay,
give
we
the
are
ownership-
ready to do.
Give the ownership of specific test case to each one of you. So that when we are asking, for example, if I am asking Nitin, you should tell which particular test case you took the ownership. You should be aware of everything, but complete ownership, which test case you did. I will be asking some questions on that. You should be able to tell. Okay. So that
Okay,
gives
sir.
the clarity whether you have done or not.
But sir, actually there are 11 people in our group, but regularly we are connecting 4 to 5 only. Else there are 8 people.
If who are connecting with you, only for them you give the task. Who and all additionally they are joining this, let them do some, you give some other test case, fifth test case or whatever.
Okay, sir.
Last test case or whatever, let them do. So you tell that we are already coordinating and doing. You can coordinate with other team or individually you can learn this and let us know. We will be able to showcase your presence also like that. If others are not contributing, why you should struggle? You tell that this is what there are 5 people. I wanted to see the attendance. In attendance itself, I will be able to capture. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Even we have the attendance, right? Who and all are regularly connecting. We have the attendance. We will also compare that with whatever you are showing, and we can track it. Who and all are giving contribution, who is not giving the contribution. Okay?
Okay, sir. And also, most of our batchmates are having exams in this week, sir. So that's why they're giving the reason of exams.
Till what date the exams are there?
Most of them are having up to 30th of this month. Like some of them are having up to 23rd and all. Some of them are starting from 23rd.
See, if who and all are starting from 23rd, they should complete that project by 20th and tell them to showcase the presentation. Others, we will see what will happen. I mean, 23rd onwards, we'll try to extend or not. That is up to, I doubt we will be able to extend, but 20th, at least we'll have a target. And if you do at least some 60-70%, who and all are going for exams, no, they can do all due. What happens now, once they are having exams, evening they can connect or someday they can connect after 4 or 5 and they can show their presence, mean to say the presentation. Without they telling their presentation or viva happening for each one of you, we cannot tell that you have completed the internship. So it will become like that. Your presentation you have not done. And another very important point, all your, this one should be uploaded. All your assessment, Java, Selenium and all, have you guys uploaded in the teams? This is for everyone, not only for team 2 or team 1. If you have not uploaded, that is another criteria. They will look into that criteria also. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Sir, the PBL app
For everyone. Yeah.
Sir, in the PBL app.
Yes. PBL app, you need to upload your source codes, whatever you have done. The hands-on exercises are there, right?
Yes,
you
sir.
need to put the hands-on exercises and enable the checkbox and submit. Click on submit. So
Yes.
then in the back end, it will go and update that you have completed so-and-so task. And if you get some 90% there, you can enable that and take a snapshot and have.
Okay, sir.
What all have not done, you do that. Otherwise, that is another major criteria to get your certificates. Completion certification of internship.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
Sunil.
in PBL app, there is a part called QTP, sir, but ma'am told that we don't have that for the training.
Yes. QTP is not there for you. Leave away that.
But how will get 90% completion there in dashboard, sir?
You are correct. Leave away that. Apart from that, others you complete. Except QTP you complete, we will try to wipe out that one shortly.
Sir,
Sir, and
even
also the other problem is in Selenium WebDriver Part 2 and Selenium IDE Part 2, there are no hands-on displaying. Like many hands-on are not there actually. But in dashboard, they are showing that there are 2 to 3 hands-on remaining.
Okay, we will try to rectify that for the current batch, whatever it is happening. But whatever is there hands-on, you try to upload and keep. Is that clear?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
it is resetting and showing sometimes showing completion and sometimes showing 0% completion.
Yes, sir. Same with me.
Completion, no. You take the snapshot and keep is that is what I was telling you. Sometimes it is showing 0, you are telling, right? Sometimes it is showing completion. When it tells or shows you completion after uploading, take the snapshot and keep. That is a proof for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. Next, what I wanted is team 3. Team 3, share your code, share your presentation. Yes. Who and all are there in the team 3 plus? First you type yes or give some iMessage or plus yes. That is what it gives me that you guys are there, team 3. Or you type 3. Who and all are there in the team 3? Type 3. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them have joined from team 3. Is it only 5 joined from team 3? Okay, so you can have a count of only 5. Let me, who is a team leader? Can you please share your screen or share the content or talk to me?
Sir,
Team 3.
code or the presentation.
Vinay, be a bit louder, Vinay.
No, sir. Sir, audible.
Yes, now I am able to hear. Please go ahead.
Sir, I want to share the PPT or the
Louder.
want to share the PPT or the code, sir.
Whichever is ready. Both is ready. Share me both.
Sir, I will show the PPT, sir. If there are any mistakes, give the feedback.
Okay.
Yes, sir, my screen is visible.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
some people added now only. I have to include their names.
Okay. So every day I have a track of who has joined. So we will also have
Yesterday, few
this.
members joined, sir. 4 members has joined yesterday. So I have to include their names.
So today only 5 of them are there. Apart from this, you told 4 or only what are you telling? I mean,
People
only
have
this
joined
5.
today, sir.
Okay.
In meeting, they have exams, internal exams in college.
See how you, I don't know how you guys were able to coordinate and learn this one. Okay, go ahead. Manual testing, go, you should explain manual testing you're telling, then you'll tell project objective, manual testing. Then automation testing. Purpose of the manual testing project is catch bugs and features issues belong to software application before a software application goes for live, and manual testing the testers. Okay. Automation testing is the application tool that automation testing is an application. Is the application of tools and technologies to testing software. Application of tools and technology. Is the application. Automation testing is not application. Where did you get this sentence? Is it application of tools? Okay, it is a tool. Automation testing is the application of tools and technologies to testing software with the goal of reducing the testing efforts, delivering capabilities faster and more effortably. That is okay. It helps to build the better quality of software with less effort. That is correct. Is the application of tools and technologies. Okay. To testing software. That sentence somewhere you need to correct. You correct the sentence. Next.
Sir, this is about the what we have done in the manual testing.
Manual test case written for automation. Manual testing. Go ahead.
Sir, these are the steps in manual testing what we have.
Requirement gathering, correct. Sharing the discussion, resource setup, okay. Then creating the tests, okay. Executing the defect handling. Then for seventh step, read that feedback and recommendation. Produce, what is it? Eighth step,
Release test
product
case and
release, test case and maintenance. Then update the test cases. Okay, next. This looks good. Okay. Precondition. Okay. So where this precondition will come?
sir, for manual testing,
In the test case, right?
yes, sir.
So something if you're telling like this, it is a completely different entity. Like how you are telling manual testing, it should be a subset of that. How are you indicating that is what my concern? And it comes when you are writing the test cases. Okay, go ahead, no problem. Precondition you are telling, okay.
Sir, some of the test scenarios in the manual testing. And few more are there, but in one slide.
You remove that precondition and you can put precondition somewhere else. Don't remove. I'm telling precondition means user, what you have written, user must have the laptop or desktop. Okay. User must have Microsoft PowerPoint. User should be connected to internet. User should have installed browser. Okay, fine. No issues. We can proceed further.
Sir, some test scenarios.
Checking access to HTML application with the different users. Okay. Add employees to delete employees. Okay, next.
Sir, the summary is what we have done in the last.
We have to test all the test scenarios. First, we have to check precondition. We have to check the priorities. According to the priority mentioned by the developer, we will go by the order given by the developer. Finally, we ensure that the conditions that are mentioned by the developer in the test scenarios are passed. So do you think that for you, instructions will be given by the developers?
Sir, we assume that
First, we have to check the precondition. We have to check the priority according to the priority mentioned by the developer. You are telling no. It is not mentioned. Developers will not mention that priority here. Test manager or lead. Better to tell lead. According to the priority mentioned by the lead, test lead or something we can tell. Because developer is a different entity. Here testing is a tester is a different entity. So in developer tester also there will be a test lead, test manager and all. We should go with an order given by the test. That is having the connection, no? According to the priority mentioned by the lead, and we will go with an order given by the lead. There is two. I don't think so that line is needed, correct? The line number 4 itself tells that according to the priority mentioned by the lead, we will go. It is a one line. I mean to say there is a connectivity between the two. You just correct that one. Let me see the final. I doubt that line is not needed, or it should be aligned to the previous
okay, sir.
sentence only is what I feel. Finally, we ensure that all the conditions are met. Okay, next. No. Before that, I think you have missed something. You guys have written test cases, right?
Yes, sir. I have
You
attached
take
the screenshot.
screenshot of that and paste it here. Sample test case scenario like that.
Okay.
Have you guys raised any defects?
No, sir. No, sir.
Have you understood what are the defect life cycle, how to raise the defect and all?
Yes, sir.
Different types of defects and all you guys are aware?
Yes, sir. You mentioned.
Title, major. That day I came and I connected
Yes,
with you
sir.
guys and told you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Sir, this is for
Automation testing. Steps. Automation testing using Selenium WebDriver for OpenCart application. OpenCart is whatever you have given. And then what is the second one it is telling?
automation testing steps.
Automation. No, that slide itself, previous slide itself, three what columns were there. First column you're
About the
talking about
OpenCart.
OpenCart. What is the second column?
Same, sir, about OpenCart.
All the projects. What is the fourth one? Read that third one.
Aim of the project is to test the features and functionalities of the application using the test cases given in the test case report.
Not only you are checking the features, you are actually automating the test cases, right? Have you written anywhere where you are going to automate the test cases like that?
No, sir.
Just write that sentence also. You are trying to automate. Mainly you are trying to
Okay, sir. I will add that point.
automate. Okay. Next. Can you read that? What is that automation steps you have written?
The planning software test automation. It is divided into two parts. Design test automation strategies and evaluate and prepare test automation tools. From this,
Okay.
so if it is have designing, we have to develop and implement the test automation solutions.
Mm-hmm.
At last, we have to review the automation test suites.
Testing steps. Okay. Next.
Tools required for the automation test.
Next.
Sir, what we have done in detail.
Okay. Next. Okay.
And we have to attach the screenshot.
No, summary. I don't know what is that you are telling summary. Open the Eclipse. In Eclipse, we have written all the code covered in all that. We have to automate the application using the test case given in the test case report. Okay.
Sir,
Show the code. Yeah. Your team members are supporting. You guys need to give some test cases to them. I think last time also I saw yours only, I guess, right?
sir, yes, sir.
Okay. So have you changed? Till I am able to see that copy paste only, no man. All
Sir,
the web elements, how are you identifying? I'm able to see that name, XPath and all copy paste work we are doing. Today itself, you just assign the task for your. Are you guys connecting separately every day?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not daily, but we are coming.
Connect them at least 2 days once. You guys need to connect.
Okay,
You
sir.
give them one test case to one people. Test case one for one person or two people. Another test case to another two people. Let two people do and let them take the ownership. Let them write the test cases correctly along with the test change everything and let them share it to you. You can use that one.
Okay, sir.
Consolidate and do. So I will ask the ownership who is doing what. Let them take the ownership and do. And I don't want to see anything like this. You will be losing marks. I clearly told you I don't want to see that copy and paste.
Okay,
Star, you should identify the element and do. Okay. And then report is coming.
Yes, sir.
You are able to see that report. NG. Screenshots have you included?
No, sir. No, sir.
Include that also. You consider it is in one place you can include and you can add everywhere, wherever you want. Still, anybody is having doubt in how to implement the screenshot. Was that day, whatever I told, was it clear or not? No, why it is not been implemented? I'm a little bit worried now whether you guys understood that day whatever I told or no.
Sir,
Tell me.
take screenshot is okay, sir, but how to place it in exact location? I do not know, sir.
For example, you have clicked on OK button, you consider. Okay.
Okay, sir. If I take the
OK
screenshot,
button. Tell me.
it stored in package folder only, sir.
Where?
Package folder, sir. Like automation project, it sold. Sorry.
1 minute, I will show you. I think there is a confusion in your understanding. What is that confusion? I don't know. I will just check that one. You let me know what was that confusion. 1 minute, I will just come back. Yeah, tell me, Nitish. Yes, go ahead, ma. Share your thing. What is that confusion for you guys? Instead of copying the expert, can we try manual expert, sir? That is what I am telling. Don't copy and paste the expert. Manual expert only you should do is what I am telling. Sorry? I didn't understand. Bhavani, you need to do manually only, ma. I hope you are clear what I am telling. Now the screenshot issue, what is the problem for you guys? Tell me. Am I audible? Others, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir, audible.
Somebody is telling they didn't understand the screenshot. What is that confusion in the screenshot? Tell me.
So we are taking screenshots, but we don't know how to put a particular location, sir.
Okay. You don't know how to put in particular location. Okay, 1 minute. I'll just share my screen. Have you guys, anybody have written screenshot? You can show me. I will just tell you that where to update. Like that also you can do, or you can see this is a general syntax, right? You guys would have written for the screenshot. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? See, here they have given you the path. You can tell E drive like that. E drive, you can mention here E:2 / and give the folder name, then the file name. If you are doing every time, so this will be a tedious for you. Agree? So instead of that, you need to pass it through the function or a method. When you use testng, here testng they have not written. When you write a testng, you will be calling through the testng only. I'll just show you. General syntax is this. Whatever I'm telling, this is a general syntax. Okay. Where is that? Are you able to see the highlighted one? This is a general syntax. Now, each and every time I cannot be writing this complete code. It is a tedious. Instead of that, I will be writing only one function and I can call that, method, and I can call that method wherever I wanted. Let me show you that if I'm having here. This is what I was telling you. This particular screenshot you need to write everywhere. Instead of writing everywhere, you can create one particular method and you can call that method and pass that name. That's all. Screenshot 1, screenshot 2, or whatever you wanted. That's what I'm looking. Hold on. Here I don't have that.
Sir, yesterday you said we can manually take a screenshot. and put
Manually.
it. Yes, sir. So yesterday when I was showing my test cases, you said we can do that as well. Because this was getting complicated a bit.
No. Manually means how you are telling.
So after the entire process is done, then we can take a screenshot where we can put the application to sleep for some
No.
time.
That is a big mistake. I think my communication went wrong or my bad. I think you have understood. I would have told wrongly. I would have told in the right way. You would have understood in the other way, I guess. When you are doing manually, what is the use of using Selenium then? You need to do automation. No. I don't know how that miscommunication came. You cannot take manually and take the snapshot and keep it in one folder. No. Please make that correction if it was a mistake. If it was a mistake, did I tell team? First of all, I don't remember like that.
So that's what I understood. I think I understood it wrongly.
No.
Can you repeat? Sir, can you repeat
I don't know if I
the
told like that. I'm very sorry. I didn't. I would have not told. But if I told, that is not the right way.
Sir, can you repeat what you were saying?
I think sir is told that the path of their screenshot is given our code.
Path should be given. That is what I feel I told.
Yes, sir.
But I don't know how that communication went there.
No, sir. Regarding to the screenshot, in last class when we are connecting with you, I had asked the same doubt that whether we writing the code for a screenshot or should we go with manually taking the screenshot and keep it in a separate folder and put
Yes,
it in
sir.
the project folder, sir. And you told that if you are okay with that, you go with that.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm telling about.
No. I think the understanding was completely different. You should not do that. Automatically from the code, it should take the screenshot.
Sir, but in last class when you were discussing with this thing, sir, you told us this only, sir. I was the person. I had the same doubt that how we are supposed to take the screenshot automatically. Then you show us the code of a screenshot, and I again ask you that it will be easier for us if you take manual screenshot and put it in a separate folder, sir. Then you told us that you go with that.
So a screenshot can you use in our presentation PPT, sir?
What? I didn't understand. What is that you are telling? Don't get still confused. Yeah, tell me. First thing I'll clarify. Taking screenshot means it should be coming through the code. From the Selenium script only, it should come. It should take automatically that screenshot and it should place it in the folder. That is the meaning of automation. When you take manually, that is manual testing. For manual testing, you can do like that, not for automation. Is my answer clear?
Yes, sir. Go
Sir,
with the
but when
path
I
of
asked,
code, sir.
sir, but when I asked in the last class to explain you the screenshot code, then you told us that it is times up.
No.
So,
Please correct
sir, so can you
yourself.
please,
Yeah.
sir,
If I
so can
told
you please
also you
explain
take
the
time now,
screenshot?
you have a time. Please don't do that one. It is not the way to do. As simple as that, I can tell you. That is not the way to should be doing. See, this is what I am expecting you to do. Okay. See, I will write one method called as screenshot. Simple. Okay. What I am doing here, I am going to create one method inside the test_ng @test. Are you able to see the screen? So where is this method is ending? This method is ending where? Take
File.copy.
File.copy, this one in the current. See, you can see here in this current, this one itself, it is ending. So in the current, this, what do you call this particular file itself, it will store, or you can give E drive, something like this, you can give E colon. So here also
Path of the PNG.
you are correct.
Path of the PNG folder.
Correct. So this is one way. Okay. Another way of doing is wherever I wanted, I will call this particular method. What is that method name? I think I have not passed any value here. I can pass the value of the file name. That also I will show you once again so that you get You will be very clear on that one. Here it is not there. Taking screenshot, record, SRC, test cases.
Sir, can you show us this code, like how this code will work when we are writing script, like how it will be
I
happening
will
in
show
our
you.
automation
Not
testing?
today, Friday or something. I can connect with you guys and show you. But I wanted you guys to try that. So I'll show you the complete part after correcting, because some of the mismatches are happened here. I need to correct that one, and then only I will be showing you that. Not now.
So
Okay, one
yesterday
working
you
copy.
showed us in that open cart application, that open cart package over there, com.wipro.test base over there, the screenshot was written.
Okay, here I showed, no? Right.
Yes, sir.
ठीक. So you can also create one base like this com.wipro.test base. In this, you can create one particular method. Assume that other methods, if you're having or not, at least one method you can create like this. What does this method is doing? You can take screenshot, and I'm passing the parameters there, name. Okay, so this particular is a place where all my screenshot will be stored. You can see here, this is the folder name and this is the name. So this name is where from here, wherever I pass this name, for example, it may be screenshot 1, it will save this one as screenshot1.png. And this is a normal syntax for screenshot. So what I will do, I will just share this code to you guys. You can copy and paste it that in the com.base, or in your, if you are having only one, what I can tell them, one package, then you can have it there only. Okay, so I will show you that also. I have that copy. What I mean to say is, I can copy this. Assume I will have only test cases. So in your test case itself, here itself you can create. This is one test at the rate of test, right? So this itself you can create here, and you can pass that name. For example, here somewhere screenshot I would have called. Can you see here? Screenshot 1 access create.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is happening?
Yes,
This
sir.
access create will go and sit here.
So over here we are passing the parameter name to that function as account created, and then it
You are
will take
correct.
the shot.
You are correct. This is a parameter, it goes here. Account create will come here. And this account create will be saved here. How it will be saved? Account create.png. Where it will be saved? Will be saved in this location. And understood what I'm telling, team?
Directing location, sir.
Are you able
Yes,
to
sir.
follow what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like this you can give. Otherwise, wait 1 minute. I'll just share you one code itself for you guys, so that
Yes,
that
sir.
screenshot
Be
code.
helpful.
Shall I share this one only? Can you guys try this? I'll share
So
like
yes,
this
sir,
only.
this one only, sir. It would be helpful then.
You
Yes,
create
sir.
at
This
least
one
you
only,
would have
sir.
create com.base. In this, I will just give you only the screenshot one.
Screenshot
Okay,
part.
is that clear? Only screenshot one I will give.
Yes, sir.
Control C. Where are you guys? Chat. Done. Is it clear what I'm telling? It is there. Okay, you can have the same thing in your test cases. In your test cases, you can create one test here at the rate of test and create this screenshot here. Here only one is there. Let me put it here only. Extend class is there. So consider you can have this here itself. Here you can have at the rate of test one more. Now what will happen when we try to execute? Wherever that screenshot is coming, somewhere I saw here, no? So wherever that screenshot is coming, it will call. So my suggestion for you all is you can take it in the different package and do that one. That will be better. Okay, just think over and let me know. I'll come back.
So can you just go down a little bit? I saw it there.
Is there anyone who had done the screenshot coding part in his project?
No. Yesterday only sir told us, so we told about the manual thing.
Yeah, that's what I was asked in last class.
Yeah. See, I think if it is manual means please don't consider that one. I think maybe some miscommunication would have happened. Nowhere you should do some manual in automation part.
Okay,
Now
sir.
this is clear. Now this is clear for you guys, whatever I'm telling. So you create one base
Go down a bit in this
Sir,
code
can we,
where that this thing path is written, path screenshot 1 account created.
You want that part, huh? That part also you wanted.
Yes, sir.
In next test case, where is the test case 4 now?
Hello.
One minute, huh?
Yes, sir, over there. Thread.sleep 2000. Yes, sir, that's one.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is that line number. I want to catch up that.
So line number 46.
Okay. You can give like this login screenshot. Like this, whatever name you wanted according to your requirement, you can mention whichever name you wanted. So this may be related to the screenshot of login successful. So that is why the name is given as login successful. This name will go and sit there. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Simple. So that it will be very easy for you. I'll show you one more also, so that you can also connect with that.
So one thing, can you just run this once so that we'll know exactly what is happening?
No,
The
this was a
mechanics.
very old one, very old one. I will definitely show you that Friday. That's what I told. I'll correct all that path and all it went wrong. When we copied all these paths went wrong, I need to check that one and I'll update you. But this was a working code.
Okay, sir.
I will let you know that one.
So one thing I want to be clear, by Friday we have to show you the PPT presentation, right?
See, at least 2 test cases. I don't want all 4 also. At least 2 test cases. You come up with the clear format and show me all the screenshots. And I don't want this like this. No, I told you, right? I don't want this one as a copy paste kind. I don't want all these. You try to avoid. I don't want all 4. I don't want you to do number. I did 5. I did 10. I don't want. You do only 4. You tell I did only 4 with everything correct. I will appreciate that one, but it should be clear. So that is what your understanding will be there. Okay.
Okay, sir. So because we are having exams, so it's a little bit difficult to cope on both sides. So that's why, sir, I asked you.
See, we will try to extend it. Whoever is possible to give it on Monday, Friday, you guys can give it. If not, we will try to extend for 1 or 2 days, 23rd or 25th, at least we will try to push it. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If we are able to push it to 25th, you guys are okay with that? Yes or no? So that is what I'm telling you guys. Don't do in this one. You divide your task to each of them. 2 people do 1 test case. Another 2 people do 1 test case. So in that way, as a team, you guys are 10 people. You will be able to do very well. Understood?
So also one more thing, one of my group members told me he is using Mac and the local host is not working in Mac. So he is using the demo link for that.
No problem. Whichever is fine. If he has understood the concept, that is fine. He should be able to understand what you have written in your machine, then it is also fine. But he can do it with demo, not a problem.
Okay, sir. So also one more thing,
Constraint, I guess. It is having some constraint. Demo, online link, it is having some constraint, I guess.
Yes, sir. In the demo as well as the local host, the payment links are not working, sir.
No, that day somebody told it's working, no payment link. Yesterday also, somebody told it is working. Who told payment link is working?
Sir, if he is in the meeting, can he or she just give a shout out so that we can connect it?
Team, who told? Can you please somebody tell us who told that payment link was working? Did you guys install that from your end? Please let us know. Hello, team, are you there? Who told that payment link? Okay, you guys check once again. Let us connect on Friday or something. And we will also see that why it is not been working. What is the error message you are getting?
Sir, item not in stock, sir. That's why we not payment slip, sir.
1 person at a time. Yes. Go ahead.
Item not in stock, bro. Sir.
No. I didn't understand. Item is not there inside that particular this one. Huh?
If you select the product like Apple tab, okay. If you purchase then the item it shows error message. Item not in stock. That's why we cannot payment, sir.
Sir, product is not available. It is saying, sir. That's why we are not moving further.
Not available in the given quantity.
The product is actually not there. Huh?
You need to
Yes, sir, quantity is zero there.
It is showing.
If you are able to solve that, please share your screen and update to your team. Is it clear? So tomorrow you guys connect that and you try to do. I wanted to show you one more. So allow me to do that so that you guys will be able to understand better.
Sir, just one more doubt. In the project test cases, it's written that Samsung Galaxy tab in the home page, but there is no such thing as Samsung Galaxy tab. When we are clicking on the iPhone banner, then it's coming as Samsung Galaxy tab.
Okay,
So,
proceed with that one. Yeah,
so
you
I
can add that one as one more
MacBook, sir. Whatever is showing in the home page.
Try to add that column also in the Excel sheet.
Okay, sir. So as a defect, I'll add that.
Yeah, you can add it as a defect because when we take the screenshot, you can tell that is not been there, right? That's what you are telling.
Yes, sir.
But the automation will stop there itself or it will proceed?
No, sir, it's stopping actually. It's after clicking on the iPhone tab and there's a part called where we have to give the review. It's not giving the review actually. It's stopping totally. After clicking on the banner of iPhone, it's stopping.
There is a member whose mic is turned on and he is not speaking, sir.
See, two things you guys can do. You can include that as a test case and do continuation of the automation part. Or else you can mark that one as a defect, take the snapshot and tell that the whatever that sentence you are telling that is not available. You can mark that one in the console and tell. So that report will come. Pass fail is coming, no? Pass fail. Let it be fail condition. The test case will be fail. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, you can do that. One more thing. See, this is what I. Who is this right now? Who is speaking? I'm not able to see your name. Who was it? Somebody just now was speaking. No, I don't know. What is your name, ma? You just now was talking. No, you was asking about many questions. What is your name?
Sir, Tanisha Digari.
Tanisha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You asked me regarding this screenshot, right?
Yes, sir.
See, one more thing for everyone with respect to screenshot. If you are using only one, what I can tell, if you are not using multiple packages, if you are using only one packages, this is how we are doing. You can see here.
Someone created noise. Please
Sir, request that can you mute Kavyasri? Sir, Kavyasri is unmute, sir, and she is disturbing the whole class, sir.
Just put it in the chat. No, I don't know why they are not serious. See now, what I am telling, I muted. See what I was telling here is, you can make this one take screenshot as a global. Okay. I have declared this one as a global, and coming here, where is the take screenshot details? No, everywhere he is written. Rather than writing, it is not a good practice. Here what he has done is he has written everywhere taking screenshot. This is not an advisable one. Let me do like this. No, here also same thing he is doing. Wherever it is needed, he is writing that screenshot, right? Just I should call the method and it should do, that's all. That is the right way to do. I showed you the first time, no, that one.
Yes, sir. The inheritance concept.
Yes, inheritance concept, that will be the better option, or you can make this one as a global method and you can call that one. That was there. I wanted to show you that only. I don't know, somewhere it is missing. It is so better you guys use that inheritance concept. That will be easy for you. Or else you need to make this one as a global and use. I don't look better, so always use that one, whichever I showed you, in open card. That is better way of doing. Make that inheritance concept and make use of that. Okay. So you try that at least for 1 or 2 test cases. That's what I'm telling even now also. By Friday, I don't want all the numbers. I wanted 4 test cases, 5 test cases, at least 2 test cases with correct concept. So you are using com.wipro.base. See here they have used this one. In this, all the base related thing he has included, inherited that. So what and all he has done here. Creating the reference to the extent report for the first case, then you're closing screenshot. See here he has written that screenshot part. You can mention that screenshot. I have already copied and pasted. This is in case if you are writing into the text file. I think there is something related to writing some message in the text file. That information, if it is there, you can use this one. All additional things, whichever you wanted, you can mention here. See here, used here, Excel sheet, and the extent report. Anybody worked on the extent report feature?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. I will just give it this task for you in the next week. We excluding this extent report because this is also one of the important feature. Extent report, how to create that report. Extent report is there. You should be able to do that one. I'll show this later. And coming to this part, utility part, I have already shown. At least you forget about utility and all. Create only first thing, com.wipro.com. Wipro.test base, com.wipro. Something, whatever you wanted name you can prepare. Interns dot something you can prepare and show to me at least that details.
Sir, can you check mine? Sir? I have done like this one test case.
Very good. Okay. So which team is that? Anybody has done like that will share. I'll just stop sharing. You can just share that screen.
Excuse me, sir.
Can
Yes,
you hear
I'll
me, sir?
check with this person and I'll come back to you, ma. Yeah, tell me. What
Sir,
is that
I
you
have
are talking about? Wipro dot utility one. Then next is com dot, very good. Com dot Wipro dot base. Test case is there.
yes, sir. And this base class, sir, and test base.
There is
Wipro dot
base class. Very good. Base class, what did you click, double click? What is there in the base class?
like launching.
Launching the browser you have given. Okay, return the driver.
Open cart.
Okay, you are given. Okay, tomorrow if that link anywhere, I'll simply come to this base class and I will change. Okay. Next is the test cases you show me.
And screenshot I have put in utilities, sir.
Okay,
And,
why wherever? Okay, different separately you have created
and
wherever it
files
comes.
are files that I have used in my project. Excel files. This one.
For what purpose it is?
Retrieving the data, sir. Retrieving the data and taking the input from the Excel, sir.
Okay, show me that code for that. Where you have written the test case code.
Here, sir. This is work.
Very good. Registration page before test case. At initializing driver is equal to launch. So automatically it will take. Have you inherited? Yeah, you have used the text
Yes, sir.
base.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Priority one. Run and debug. It is coming. Login. What is that? Thread.sleep. Why you are using file? New file there? Oh, you are taking the Excel file.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
It opens the file, sir. From there, we will get data, sir. Excel sheet.
Oh. Okay. Then that
This
Excel sheet first value you are taking, huh?
Yes, sir. This is for reading the data. This is for writing. Like we have to get data from that open cart, and we need to write to the Excel, sir.
Oh, you are taking the data from the open cart and you are putting inside the Excel file, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the data you are taking?
Like some test cases are there, sir. Some steps are there. We have to retrieve the data and we have to keep in the Excel.
Very good. So your integration with an Excel you have done. Very
Yes,
nicely. Very good. Then what is the use of this text file?
Where, sir?
Line number 54. What is that K1.txt you are given, no?
54. Yes, sir. This one.
What is that you are putting in the text file?
File writer, sir. It is for writing the data to the file, sir.
File writer. Okay.
Buffer
File
writer.
also.
This is Java
Buffer writer.
concept.
So basically, it takes the Excel sheet of our code on the code in the XPath, using in the XPath, sir.
Okay. Very
Sir,
good. So scroll down.
Sir.
You are using the
Sir, some of the elements I have copied, sir, because I was not able to find the export, sir.
No problem. See, it is not like everything you should copy. So one or
Yes,
two
sir.
you are copying because you are not able to identify. That is fine. I accept. But everything copying and pasting is not a good sign.
I have copied some, sir.
Okay, scroll down.
This is a test engine concept, sir. If it is a true, and it will move further. Otherwise, it fails, sir. This one,
Okay,
asset data
scroll
that
down.
it was.
Okay, scroll down. Find element by ID.
And here I am taking screenshots, sir. This one, close one method. Like I have hard coded sir screenshot file like that.
That
You
is
said
also
like
fine.
we have to pass like a string name, now, sir. But I didn't do like that. I put a screenshot file in other like that, sir.
That is also fine. It is understood that you know the concept of that. If you
Yes,
put
sir.
that meaning, no, it will be easy for you to read the screenshot. Otherwise, simply telling screenshot one, screenshot two, if I go to that screenshot folder, it will be difficult for me to remember which is screenshot one, screenshot two. If you put that name, it will be easy.
Sir, but whenever it is taking screenshot, it is not putting here, sir. Utilities.
I didn't understand what.
So whenever it takes the screenshot, the file is not stored in here, sir. com.wipro.utilities. It is storing here, sir.
You don't need to store it here in the utility. You can put it in one folder and store it, not a problem. In D drive, no? Automatically it should store in some D drive, some folder name.
I think here, sir. Here storing, sir. This one.
No, this path have you given there? Did you give
Yes,
that
sir.
path or it is automatically taking? You
Yes,
gave
sir.
the
Yes, sir. This is path I have given here. Screenshots.
Okay. And the one which I've shared it now, no? Today I've shared it now. You can also try that. Putting into the base that screenshot tech.
Okay, sir.
This
Okay,
one.
sir.
And
Automatically
you
it
can
takes
just
the
put,
name, right? Instead of screenshot file, we have to. It takes automatically name.
no. It will not take automatically name. That name you only will give. Which name it is there?
Then what is the difference, sir?
No, I am telling this is also fine. Okay, I'm not. What I'm telling now, this step, whatever you have written inside the test cases. Correct. Screenshot method.
Yes, sir.
You have written inside the steps cases. Instead of that, you can put it in base only, and you can call that by just a name. That's all.
So that code will be reduced. That's what you are saying, right?
That is what code will be reduced. See, this particular code, no, in all the test cases you need to write. If I'm not wrong.
Oh yes, sir.
This whatever 5 lines or 6 lines of code you are writing in all the test cases. Instead of that, put it into one place, that base class, and call only that name and do. No, it is simple for you.
Okay, sir. I will try it.
You can try that one. I've shared that code also above.
Yes, sir.
If not, this is also fine. Good to go. No need to worry about that. If you implement that, looks better is what my suggestion. That's all.
Okay, sir. But in some cases, wherever checkout is there, I'm unable to move further, sir, because it is showing that product is not available or not in stock.
Then what you can do, you leave away that product. Is there any other product available? You see, you can
No,
take.
sir. I tried with all, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you check this one, sir? Counting links, anchor tags.
How did you do that? How counting links?
Like I have used tag name, sir. Anchor tag should
correct. Find elements. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Elements, yes, should come. Driver dot find elements. Yes, by tag name is correct.
Yes, sir. URL should have anchor tag, right? A should be in HTML. Okay, sir.
Perfectly. Yeah.
Sir, is this okay, sir?
Yes. This is good enough. Good to go. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Can I stop the sharing, sir?
Yeah. Thank you. Which team are you, Karnakar?
13, sir. Group 13.
Okay. Good to go. Share the inputs to all the team, and I give you some updates. No, you try to implement that, and if everything is divide the test cases to two people. Let them do.
Yes,
understand. Okay, and do that one. Okay.
So
with that, I think, anybody else who have completed like this format, you can share. Otherwise, we can wind up. And by tomorrow, once again, we will try to connect and see what is that improvement areas you have done. On Friday, yes, Anil, you can go. But please remember, Friday I wanted to see at least 90% done. Friday, and each team members should be connected. I don't know why your team members are not connected. I told you guys to create a WhatsApp group and communicate yourself. Yes. What is your team, Anil?
Sir. Reports are generated automatically, sir. Reports.
Yes. Reports should generate automatically. It's not manual.
Reports. Yes.
You can explore on this extended report, no? Whichever I told you, right?
Yes, sir.
Extended report. You Google it, find out Selenium extended report.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Extended report. Selenium. You just Google, you will be able to get some inputs. You can also get some value add on that. Yeah, go ahead. Next. Anil.
Yes, sir.
What and all you have implemented? This is, where is that how have you implemented a base class like that or only one?
Sir, I implemented base class, sir.
I'm not able to see. It is very small. 1 minute. This is the base class, huh?
Yes, sir.
In that you are giving the driver option, okay. And URL you are not giving here, okay.
Sir, you said to follow a framework, no, sir. So I just included in conflicted properties.
Very good,
in
very
URL.
good. Config properties you have done, na? Very good. Okay.
For reading the config properties, I included a utility class called read config. So it will give all the. Yes, sir. So this method will give the application URL.
Okay, it will take from config file. Okay.
So reading the config file.
Very good, very good. Okay.
In the test case 1, so I created an object and got the open card URL and used it here, sir.
Okay. Get open cart URL. Have you integrated with Excel?
Yes, sir. So down here.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, I think you also did some elements and all directly you copied and pasted. Why it is showing star dot star and all if it comes as copied or what?
No, sir. No, sir. I have written on my own path.
Okay.
No star. No, sir.
Okay, scroll down. Validation you have done, if message equal to successful message asset, that is validation part, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, before wherever you do validation, no, this is for everyone. Wherever you do validation, you just put a mark and put a comment statement and tell validation like that. Okay. So that these and all are key points which will help you to score marks. Okay. Next.
So this is the just normal method to get Excel data, sir. This is another test case, sir. Contact us functionality.
Okay. Looks good only. Next is screenshot.
Sir, I have not implemented screenshot, not yet, sir.
Take you try that one and do that one. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So you try. Which team are you, Anil?
Sir, team 11, sir.
Team 11. Okay. Team 11, team 13, and which and all team I saw. I think most of you have done good job only. Some improvement I'm able to see compared to the first day of connect, which I did. So once again, I will be connecting tomorrow or Friday. So I wanted to see at least 90% of the work. That's what I once again am repeatedly telling. You divide the test cases to different people, let them do that, and then you can integrate and show me together. That will be better. So that all the team members should be knowing what exactly it is there. Don't simply copy paste and tell that I have done, I have completed. That will not, the learning is not at all there. So you need to implement all these validations, screenshots, TestNG, then next all these packages, the framework kind of thing, whichever I told, all these things should be implemented. Okay, good to go, Anil, no problem.
Sir, what is a flat file, sir?
Come again?
Flat file.
Excel, text file is called as flat file.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Text file, yeah. Text file is a flat file. Notepad file is a flat file, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Can you stop it?
Yeah, stop. You can stop. Anybody else wanted to ask anything?
So you should be compulsory use TestNG or can we use JUnit also?
TestNG is the latest one in the projects and all. They are using TestNG. If you are comfortable with JUnit, I wanted to show only with JUnit all that features. Then you can go with JUnit, but you should be aware of what is TestNG, what are the different annotation. But I don't think so there is much difference. When you know JUnit, it will be easy for you to go for TestNG. In fact, TestNG has many more features like data dependency feature and all is there. JUnit doesn't have the data dependency feature and all, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, our teammate has done using JUnit. If you want to do with TestNG, we should start from again. So that I'm asking.
So in test JUnit, what and all additional features you have shown? Tell me. What is the new features, like taking screenshots and all you have done using TestNG JUnit only?
So we should screenshot part we have not done yet, sir.
Okay. What other things you have done in J unit? Tell me. Reporting, how it is coming? Reports are coming.
Actually, I'm not the one did, sir. One of my teammates did. I'm the group lead, so I'm asking about it, sir.
Let them share. If it is okay, we can go. Or else you any improvement is there, you can do that improvement. If that's what no, if you are going with J unit, please go ahead with J unit only. But I need to see that features what and all you have added. Simply writing at the rate of test will not be helping. No, Excel integration are you able to do? Screenshots are you able to do? J unit validations you can do. Have you done or not? All these should be included. Okay, you can go ahead with J unit only, not a problem.
Okay, sir. If we get connected tomorrow, I'll ask him if he can share the screen, sir.
Yes, no issues. Anybody else?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I have one
So I
doubt,
was
sir.
not able to connect everyone, but Friday, other team members I will connect. Which and all team I have not connected today. So to my knowledge, today I connected with 1, 2, what is that? Anil, your team is 9, 11,
11, sir.
I think one more person was there, no, not Venkat, what is his name? Karnakar, your team is what?
13, sir. 13.
13. Next, which and all team I connected? One more team I connected. No, team 3 also I connected. Right? You can note down this. The remaining team I'll try to connect and see how that progress they have done. Okay. So with that we can wind up for the day.
Team 7 asked you questions, sir. So I
Yes.
asked you questions. I'm from Team 7.
Team 7, tell me, Tanisha, what is that?
So I asked you questions regarding and I shared my test cases yesterday. I'll try on the improvement and show it to you.
Very good. Okay. You can show me that. Not a issue. Team 7. Okay. Noted. Okay. Next.
So
Sir, I have
Gautam
doubts.
Singh, team 20, sir.
What did you do? Have you completed, Gautam?
Yes, sir. I'm already done with the snapshot, but I'm using a different ideally, so I can show you. Just.
Yeah. Share it. No issue. I can wait.
Sir,
Others, if you and all have completed showing, you can leave for the day, but connect with your team every day and
So,
see the progress. Okay.
so this snapshot test case written I'm already in the previously, and now 12 date of 12 May my 8th semester exam is going on, so I do not work on that time, so I'm already done for that method. This method is right or wrong, sir?
Which method you are talking?
So snapshot, taking the snapshot using the XPath, sir.
How are you doing? Show me that line where you are taking snapshot. And where
64,
are you storing?
line number 64. DR dot
Find
index,
element
yes,
XPath,
sir, XPath,
ID review.
ID input review, a send key of the element, and again you go with the path and find
Where
element
is the snapshot here? I send keys, you are sending that HTML value, no? What is that? Where is snapshot means what? Screenshot, right? Where is the screenshot feature here? Okay,
this.
down. 1 minute. File screenshot. Okay. When you execute, your screenshot is storing in that location.
Yes, sir, location, but I don't use the ellipse, so that ideally is not working. I'm using on the intelligent, so I can explain the next class in the session.
Yes. Go ahead and do that. But totally all these features should be covered. Taking the snapshots, validations,
Yes,
Excel
sir.
integration,
Yes,
all
sir.
these should be covered. And there should be some framework kind of work which I was expecting. If it is not there also, at least this feature should be available. Okay.
Yes, sir. Basically, my examination is going on 8th semester exam, and final examination is going on. So I don't work on this project, but already I'm done all the scenario or the automation testing, sir.
Okay. When you will be free after the exam means when you'll be free?
After 28, sir. After 28, but I will do all the scenario. I will make also the PPT, and I will done the automation and manual testing, and I will done also the PPT. Everything I will done, but I don't in the same path of manners of because some issue. And one more question, sir. I'm using this snapshots in the PPT. This is reliable or not, sir?
That is
Manual.
okay. Not a
That is
problem.
okay.
Manual.
Not-
Yeah. Don't take more slides for manual. Maximum 5 slides you try to cover what you have learned in manual. Remaining another 10 slides you can cover for automation, or another 5 slides. You can 5 or 7 slides for the automation part. Don't take very
Yes, sir.
huge like 30, 35 and all. I don't want. Don't take
No,
each and
sir.
every snapshots and all. Don't want. Okay, maximum 10 slides is enough. 10 to 15 slides should be there. It should cover
Okay, sir.
everything. Okay. Okay, ma. So with that,
Okay,
we
sir.
can sign off. We'll connect once again on Friday. Thank you very much, guys. We can connect once again on tomorrow and as well as Friday, and we'll try to close it. So others who are still working, not able to connect, seriously take this one and connect. Otherwise, after Friday, your work will become little more tedious. That is why. Okay. So when all are having exams, you try to complete faster, or after having the exams you wanted to show, you can just update it when you wanted to do that one by, but everything should be done by next week only. I cannot extend more than to 5 days from now. That is why. Because we need to close it by 25th. 25th I have kept it as a target. And we'll see that 20th is one target and 25th is the next target. Okay. So with that, I like to sign off for the day. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. Take care.